I am walking in the shadows, leaves are blowing. A gust of wind drove down the romantic valley. The tune of your magical flute enchanting my ears. I am trickling towards and so near to you. Your sensational eyes now inviting me where I'm in a flaunt. In a spilt, you clinch my attention. I am sitting behind you with a juvenile smile. You secretly looking at me with love, and I ashamed. I am feeling your intention in silence, still waiting for one word. Now you are touching my hair with love. I started grazing inside and started to love all four.